Guys, my grandmother is so viral right now in YouTube. Look at this. Look at my setup. Look, just put Jerome Everdome concert and look. That's her. That's my grandmother. 91K just 1 month ago. And she's been posting a lot. This is the tools that she posts. This was 6 days ago. And this is, I'll prove you guys. That's me from a long time ago. I'm a bit shy. And this is when it hit 2026.
When I was recording, I didn't even know.
See, that's me. That was me. She said show her in the picture. That's her. And this is Inigo.
I'm cuter.
Nah. I'm gonna post you on YouTube, Inigo. This is Inigo. This is Gea. This is me.
Subscribe to me.
This is my grandmother. This is Levi. That's him. And that's where we recorded. Look, that's the curtains over there. That's the aircon.
And
This is Nono, my grandfather. This is Denise, the bad one. This is Sturdy, the black one. This is Ate Rain, I don't know. And this is Tita Lele, the angry one.
Yo! And no.
And Tita Lelaine, their mother. And Levi, this is their father and mother.
And Daddy.
And
But the last
by the way, I forgot. Where's Joanna at?
Oh, there. Oh, Mommy.
Where's Joanna?
That's the last person. Mommy.
That's Tito Gatsby. He's been dead since 2026. He got shot.
Tita?
I was not born yet.
Where's the Tita? Yes. Baby son.
That's all, guys. And by the way, I'm playing this game. I
Yeah.
cannot live yet, but because I'm only not below